So you have a Apple Watch Series 7 and you have an issue where you have a black screen. Even though it's a black screen, you know that the watch is on. Maybe you can hear notifications coming in, or maybe you get phone calls. You know it's on, it's just a black screen here, okay? Now another way to tell that if your watch is on, we're now taking out this one is fixed, but even if you have a black screen, you should be able to put the charger on there and you should be able to hear that ding, okay? So I'm going to give you guys several solutions, easy solutions, okay, that you can do right now. And let's pretend that my screen is black here and nothing here is working, okay? So the first thing what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and restart it using a 2-key combination, okay? So again, let's pretend my screen is black here. So you have the digital crown here and a side button. You want to press and hold both buttons and do not let go until we see an Apple logo appear. So we'll do it together. Digital crown, side button. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Press and hold both buttons and do not let go until we see the Apple logo. Pretend I have a black screen here, so I have no idea what's going on. I just know that I'm holding on both of these buttons here. Just wait patiently until you see an Apple logo. So it just turned off. Now it's going to turn back on. Now we should see the Apple logo. Now go ahead and let go of both buttons and hopefully you are up and running now. If not, we're going to go to the next possible solution. So next thing what we're going to try to do is go ahead and change your clock face or your watch face, okay? So hopefully it's still paired. So just give this a try, okay? Go ahead and go to your phone, open up your Apple Watch app, and then down here on the very bottom it says Face Gallery. Let's tap on that. And then from here, go ahead and choose another watch face, okay? Just choose some random one, okay? We'll just go with this one here. Tap on that right there, and then go ahead and tap on Add, okay? Now mine's working, right? So as soon as I tap on Add, it should go ahead and there you go. So my clock face like changed, and hopefully for you guys, as soon as you change a clock face, it's up and running, okay? If not, we're going to go to the next possible step. So next thing is this. So what I first want you to do is with the crown button and the side button here, just spam it a couple times, okay? So you have the side button here, spam it in and out, in and out, in and out. And also the crown button, in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out, just like that. Now, go ahead and grab your charger, pop it on there, and then while the charger is on here, pretend my screen is black again, do the same thing, okay? Restart it using the 2-key combination. Hold both buttons down. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold both buttons. Keep on holding and do not let go until we see an Apple logo appear. So I'm still holding. It's on the charger, just waiting for an Apple logo to appear. Still holding. So it turned off. Now it's going to turn back on and we should see the Apple logo right there. Go ahead and let go. And hopefully you are out of the black screen now. Okay, if not, we're going to go to the next option. So the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and grab your watch and hold it up like this. Now we're going to do two things here. What we're going to do is just press on it all over on the screen like that. All over, and the same thing on the back. Press it, okay? And sometimes you're pressing it, all of a sudden, boom, your clock face will pop right on, okay? Anyway, just give this a try. You don't want to do it too hard. You don't want to crack your screen. And I'm not responsible if anything happens to your watch, okay? So with the black screen here, just get your two thumbs. What I want you to do is just press, press, press all over, press, all over, press, press. And like I said, sometimes it'll just pop on, okay? Just press kind of hard. Same thing on the back. Press, 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 press. Turn it over. And if it's still a black screen, do the same thing. Go ahead and restart it. The 2-key combination. Press and hold both buttons and keep on holding and do not let go until you see an Apple logo. Then let go, okay? And if you're still down, the next thing is this. Go ahead and just put your watch down. What I want you to do is tap it all over on the screen, on the back, and as well on the sides, okay? So just tap kind of hard. And sometimes as you're doing this, the screen will pop on as well, okay? Just and same thing on the back here. Just keep on tapping all over. Try to get the sides here. You can even go in here too, okay? It's okay if you press the buttons. Just go like this. And then hopefully your watch is on. If it's not on right now, then do the same thing. 2-key combination to restart it, okay? Digital crown, side button. Press and hold both buttons and continue to hold until you see the Apple logo, then let go of both buttons, okay? Now, if you're still down, the next thing is what I call the freezer method. What I want you to do is grab your watch just like this, go to your freezer, okay? put it in your freezer, leave it in there for 15 minutes, just like this, bare naked. After 15 minutes, grab your cold watch and do the same thing with the restart. 2-key combination, digital crown, side button. Press and hold both buttons and continue to hold until you see an Apple logo, then let go, okay? And now hopefully you're up and running. Now, the thing is, if you tried all of these steps and your screen is still black, then what I would recommend is starting from step 1 again and try step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, try all the way to the end. If it didn't work again, try it 3 times, 4 times, try it up to 7 times, because sometimes the 7th time is a charm. Now I'm going to guess if you tried all of these steps at least 7 times, I'm going to say at least 75% of you guys should now have a working screen. So if it worked for you, give me a thumbs up. If it didn't, give me a thumbs down. We should see a 75% thumbs up, 25% thumbs down. All right, good luck, guys. Oh, and if it worked for you, also mention in a comment what step you think worked for you so other people can see as well. All right, good luck.